Boom, what's up guys? We are in Las Vegas and yes, we totally missed all of the SEMA coverage. Sorry about that, but you guys can see that from everywhere else. Today we're gonna be going out to Dream Racing and renting out some awesome exotic cars. If you guys are OGs to the channel, you know we did this last year. So huge shout out to Anthony and Steve over at Dream Racing for inviting us back out. And it's gonna be awesome. I'm super excited. We got Alex inside, everyone else is gone. Gonna be meeting TJ and Dustin over there, so should be a good time. Let's see who has the fastest lap as well. I think I'm gonna take this one. We are here at Dream Racing in Las Vegas, and today I get to drive one of my dream cars, which is gonna be the Lamborghini Performante. So, a lot of you guys may know, I love McLarens. I love Brent's McLaren P1. I drove the 675 LT. I've never driven a Lamborghini, and today that's gonna happen. I'm pumped. Let's get on the track. It's gonna be awesome. Woo! Go. Is this what I'm driving?
Yeah, it's a little much right there.
Woo! Oh.
It sounds so good. So it's very SV-esque on the interior, very...
You ready for this?
I'm ready, dude. It's gonna be so sick.
Do not disappoint us, man.
I will beat Dustin. Oh, you locked out? I'm sorry, man.
It was intentional. Good luck. Send it.
All right, here we go.
How's that looking?
This is his first lap. Let him get his bearings a little bit before he gets on the throttle. Here he comes, baby, down the straight. Open it up, girl!
Send it, send it, send it! The sound of that thing.
Sounds good.
Down, drag off, turn tight, nice job, turn that way. Gas now, good, no gas, tight to the right, and 50% gas, roll into it, 60, 70, keep turning. Floor it, brake hard, no brakes, turn all the way right, 90 degrees, gas, brake, no brakes, turn in nice and tight, gas, no gas, tight right, good, 50% gas, patient, floor it, upshift. No brakes, turn left, nice and tight left. Gas now. Tight right, good, gas. Brake straight, downshift, good. No brakes, turn, good, a little bit of gas, 20%, 30, good, get close to that apex here, tight, now floor, all the way. Upshift. Upshift, good. Brake hard, downshift. Drag off, turn tight left.
Oh, baby! Crap. How did it look from the outside? That is unbelievable.
That was insane. I think I missed half the laps just because you were going so fast.
Woo. Holy crap.
How do you do?
You did great, you did real good.
So when you say great, does that mean great or?
It means great.
All right.
No, he did actually really good. Hit the corners well, everything. I'm pretty sure, I wasn't with him last time, so I'm pretty sure he did better this time than last time. So.
All right, we'll give him a 7 or 8 out of 10.
7 to 7.8.
All right. All right, Alex.
First ride in the race car? You ready, Alex?
Born ready, baby. Let's go fast.
That's loud. so I know Daniel from Premium is here. We're gonna be meeting up with him. We'll be checking out a couple of the booths. We do have 2 meetings we have to go to, so probably won't bring you guys along for that, but I'll give you a quick little cinematic of our SEMA experience so far within the show. It's not too much, but hope you guys enjoy.
I'm loving the Jeeps. There are a lot of trucks.
Yeah, there are a ton of trucks.
Some of the trucks are a little too much for me.
I mean, like, look at this one right here. Oh my God.
Should we give it the test?
What's
the
that?
A-Res spec?
What's that? Check it. Oh man. That is crazy. What do we got here?
Russian Post. Well, it's a really big but light box. Whoa. Actually made like a wood crate. It's pretty nice packaging. Usually body kit stuff, and this is the body kit for the RX-8, believe it or not. Got here really fast. From Russia, nonetheless. But usually when you get a body kit, it usually comes in like just a big cardboard box. They actually crafted a...
You're gonna break your hand.
Yeah! It's trash, let's go. Dumpster? This is actually really nice. Let's see how I can get it open. I guess I maybe need a screw gun. Please tell me you just captured that.
I hope so.
All those years of karate.
I
All those years of karate as a youngster paid off. I never actually took care of it.
Here we go.
And there's really not much to it. That's cool.
So this is the Rocket Vanya V1 kit.
Really?
Yeah, that's the name of it. It's made by Lions in Russia. So there's not too many of these kits out there, but we've seen a couple of them online. They look really, really cool, and it's a cool alternative to the Rocket Bunny because you do get to keep this rear door functional on both sides. So that's probably the biggest reason.
Look at this.
Is that a wooden box?
Yeah.
What is that? I don't understand. It's like a cigar box.
Is this a joke?
I'm not sure.
Rocket Vanya Lions kit.
Did they forget to put something in there?
Ready for it? It's a magic trick, actually. It's there now. Oh, no. It's still not there. I have no idea. It's pretty cool, though.
It's a cool box.
Yeah, here's for your cigars.
It's a hardware? I have no idea.
Well, I think they just like making wood things because they also gave us a wood keychain.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, though.
And they also sent along another wood keychain.
Just put it in the box. Put it in the box.
And some sweet stickers.
Some cool stickers. Thank you.
And a lion.
A lion's kit.
And a certificate of authenticity,
Oh,
which is very nice.
That's pretty cool. So if you guys are interested in this kit, I will put the link in the description. We're actually a retailer of this kit now as well. So if you want to buy one of these for your RX-8, hit us up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and mock this up with some blue painter's tape, and we'll put it on the car.
Nah, we're not.
No days
We're
off.
gonna go ahead and start cutting fenders right now because it's my day off, and that's how I do things.
Do it like you did like 2 years ago with no...
Santa beard.
Let's flash back to when we helped TJ out with the BRZ. All right, well there you have it. Obviously this is just mocked up with some blue painter's tape. If you guys have ever worked on a wide body kit, you'll know that the fitment right out of the box is never perfect, but it looks pretty cool. I like the styling of this. I think once this is all installed, color matched, with some nice wheels and on some air suspension, it's gonna look really good. And it will allow us to run much more aggressive wheels and tires. which is very cool. Definitely, I think, matches with the big wing we have on the back as well. First impressions?
Yeah, so far so good. Once these are taped on, we kind of get a really good idea of how the car is going to look with these mounted. Unfortunately, with tape, you can't get it like to fit snug really. It's sort of just kind of in its general vicinity. Also, we need to do some clearancing underneath the fenders in order to make room for the bigger wheels and tires. And also, when you do a kit like this, you typically need to open up the arches so that the kit fits inside the arch. So basically what you're doing is creating more clearance for a bigger wheel and tire package. We haven't done that yet, so that's why the kit sits a little funky at the moment, but we just taped on here so you guys can get an idea of how it's gonna look, and it's actually pretty aggressive, so I think it's gonna look pretty sick.
It's gonna look awesome.
Can you imagine this thing on airbags? AccuAir and some UAS?
Soon.
Dang.
Very soon.
This is gonna be our best giveaway car yet.
Absolutely.
It's clear that I'm not gonna move this around because the tape's gonna move, but it's pretty clear that this cutout is for the bumper that we have, which is the, this would be a Zenki front end, so first generation. But it's pretty obvious to us here that this is not the front lip that they designed it for. So we can probably either cut this here, trim it off at this line, and finish it and allow us to use this lip, or we can contact Lions and find out what lip that they actually molded it for. I'm leaning towards cutting it off.
Yeah, I think that actually looks pretty clean.
I like this lip a lot.
Yeah.
So.
Throtl VIP is the ultimate car club for car enthusiasts. With thousands of dollars in savings, joining VIP is the smartest thing you could do as a car enthusiast. From your VIP tools, access unbelievable savings with just a click. Launch the parts store and automatically save 10 to 40% off performance parts for your car. Find a better price somewhere else, we'll beat it, and apply a VIP discount. Not ready to mod your car or just looking for more savings? VIP partner deals are a great way to save on everyday expenses. Need some basic auto maintenance parts? We offer 20% off advanced auto parts. Need a pizza? We've got you covered with discounts from Papa John's and so much more. Throtl VIP has benefits for everyone. The average member saves over $600 per year. What are you waiting for? Sign up today and join the movement with Throtl VIP.